Today we will learn simple curve setting by offsets from long chord method. Objective: to set out a simple curve by linear method, offsets from long chord method. Equipment: cross staff, arrows, ranging rod, tape. Theory: linear methods are used when 1. High degree of accuracy is not required. 2. The curve is short. Linear methods for setting out curve include 1. By ordinate or offset from long chord. 2. By offset from tangent. T. A. Perpendicular offsets. B. Radial offsets. Elements of simple circular curve. Figure 10.10 shows you notations for circular curves. 1. AB and BC are known as the tangent to the curve. 2. B is known as the point of intersection or vertex. 3. The angle phi is known as the angle of deflection. 4. The angle I is called the angle of intersection. 5. Point T1 and T2 are known as tangent points. 6. Distances BT1 and BT2 are known as tangent lengths. 7. When the curve deflects to the right, it is called a right hand curve. When it deflects to the left, it is said to be a left hand curve. 8. AB is called the rear tangent and BC the forward tangent. 9. The straight line T1DT2 is known as the long chord. 10. The curved line T1ET2 is said to be the length of the curve. 11. The midpoint E of the curve T1ET2 is known as the apex or summit of the curve. 12. The distance BE is known as the apex distance or external distance. 13. The distance DE is called the worst sine of the curve. 14. R is the radius of the curve. Offsets or ordinates from a long chord. Let AB and BC be two tangents meeting at a point P with a deflection angle phi. The following data are calculated for setting out the curve. Figure 10.11 shows you offsets from a long chord. 1. The tangent length is calculated according to the formula TL is equal to R tan phi by 2. 2. Tangent points T1 and T2 are marked. 3. The length of the curve is calculated according to the formula CL is equal to pi r phi divided by 180 degree. 4. The chainages of T1 and T2 are found out. 5. The length of the long chord capital L is calculated from L is equal to 2r sin phi by 2. 6. The long chord is divided into two equal halves, the left half and the right half. Here the curve is symmetrical in both the halves. 7. The mid-ordinate O0 is calculated as follows. 8. Considering the left half of the long chord, the ordinate O1, O2 are calculated at distances x1, x2 taken from capital D towards the tangent point capital T1. The formula for the calculation of ordinates is deduced as follows. Let P be a point at a distance small x from capital D. Then PP1 OX is required ordinate. A line P1 P2 is drawn parallel to T1 T2 from tangles OP1 P2. 9. The ordinates for the right half are similar to these obtained for the left half.